Do you want something?
I think it's time.
Is it time? Is it? Your plan worked?
Yeah!
Is this fun?
Oh.
No more ploops. That's, you're very cute. I want to come say hi. You're making friends with our neighbors. Oh, look who it is.
Where are you going? You show who's boss.
Show who's boss, Mikey.
You guys a little ploop.
I missed the ploop. There it is. Go show those doggies who's boss. Say, I am Mikey, I am boss of neighborhood. Why do you like sticks so much?